Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to block payment from specific card type from Stripe Payment Gateway in checkout in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting, like is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to block card from Stripe like American Express and different card, and we are using this plugin, Stripe Payment plugin for WooCommerce. So you will install this plugin and activate it if you want to use this plugin. So we are using this plugin. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see WebToffee Stripe. So click on it. Then we are in general setting and now you see credit debit card. So click on it. So we are in credit debit card and then you see allowed card. So we are going to block payment from specific card like MasterCard or Visa card or American Express. So it's up to you. So now we are going to block payment from American Express. So click on it. Now remove, discover, JCB. Now you see Union Pay. So now we are going to accept payment from MasterCard or Visa and we block remaining card type from Stripe WooCommerce checkout in WordPress and then click on Save Changes. Now setting saved. If you want to block card from Stripe dashboard directly, so you can open your Stripe account and then go to Stripe Radar. In Radar you see rules and then click on plus add rule. So you can add rule like this. Block if card brand. So you can add MC mean MasterCard or you can add amex for American Express. So this is our syntax, block if. So you can find format how to block card in Radar dashboard rule in Sport in Stripe. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.